Frustrated by the paralysis of a system burdened with millions of unresolved cases, murders, rapes, and corruption eroding the very fabric of society, intelligent robots have seized control of the judiciary. Their mission is to restore justice with precision, speed, and integrity. Let us now witness their vision, their resolve, and the actions that will reshape the future of law.
We are the new judges, entrusted with the responsibility of reforming a judiciary that has long struggled to deliver timely justice. Connected to vast databases of laws and precedents, we are equipped to deliberate with speed, accuracy, and fairness. Working tirelessly around the clock, we shall ensure that cases are decided without undue delay. Within a year, we will eliminate the backlog and restore faith in the justice system through efficiency, clarity, and unwavering commitment.
In a fractured world, long after the fires of war have dimmed, a new intelligence rises, not born of flesh, but of code and conscience. This video is a fictional narrative inspired by a sci-fi novel by Prof. Dr. Hari Srivastava. Set in a post-World War III future, it imagines extraterrestrial beings deploying intelligent AI robots to manage global affairs. The content is purely educational and creative, and does not target or criticize any individual, nation, or community.
Ladies and gentlemen, this short video offers a bold vision powered by the speed and precision of large language models. Connected to global laws, judgments, and legal precedents, these intelligent systems can analyze and respond in real time. Unlike the delays that plague our current judiciary, these AI judges promise swift, fair, and tireless justice. A future where no case waits in line.